In this video, I'm going to show you how you can embed TikTok videos to your WordPress website. This will be a quick and simple tutorial for those that need it. So you'll need a TikTok video first. You can go ahead and log in and go to your own profile, or you can embed any video because embedding it doesn't steal it. It just kind of like embeds it. People can watch it and it still counts as a view. So go ahead and find your video, then go to the share icon here. Now, if you hover over it, you can find embed. Click on embed and it will then give you this code, which you can go ahead and copy. Now, once you've got that code copied to your clipboard, head over to your WordPress dashboard. From here, you can go ahead and go to posts, and you can either create a new post or you can embed a video in an existing post. I'm going to go to all posts and we'll embed this video in this blog post here. Now, I know the context isn't there. This is a blog post about Thailand, but the method and the way that you embed it is the same. So go ahead and click on the plus icon. That will open up the block inserter. Then search for HTML, and here you'll see custom HTML. Now, if you go ahead and drag that, you can drag that on to your blog post. You can put that wherever you want. Now, all you need to do once this box appears is right click and paste in the code that you copied from TikTok. Then just click on preview, make sure that everything is all good. Everything should be fine though. Then go ahead and click update or post, and then your TikTok video should be embedded. And you can obviously go ahead and move the position and the sizing of this, but that's how you can do it. That's how you can embed a TikTok video to a blog post.